Welcome to day 1 of the Flow into Balance Challenge. Every journey of transformation begins with one essential step, learning to stand still. In Tai Chi and Qigong, we call this rooting, connecting your body to the earth where your mind becomes light and clear like the sky above. Today, we return to that foundation, breath, posture and awareness, the source of energy, health and calm. As you breathe and move, your body begins to open, the joints loosen, the breath deepens, blood and oxygen flow freely, the nervous system settles, stress melts away. What looks like stillness is in truth deep internal movement, a quiet conversation between heaven and earth within your own body. This is the heart of all internal arts, to be soft yet strong, calm yet alive. By the end of this session, you feel clear, more centered and quietly powerful, ready to build upon this foundation in the days ahead. So let's begin. Now let's begin where all true movement starts, in stillness. Feel the earth beneath you, steady, alive. Let your body settle, your breath deepen, your awareness return home. Stand tall and relaxed, toes forward, knees soft. Feel your weight drop evenly through both feet, the earth steady beneath you. Let your breath begin to slow. Your tailbone tucks slightly, lengthening the lower back. The spine rises naturally, light at the crown, rooted at the base. Place your hands in front of your belly and bring awareness a few fingers below the navel, the lower Dantian. With each breath, warmth gathers there. This is your center, still, grounded, alive. Stay in this posture for a moment. Notice your stance, your alignment, and the gentle rise and fall of the breath as it fills the lower belly. Lift the arms as if embracing a soft moon before the belly. Elbows heavy, shoulders relaxed, fingers alive. Feel gentle space between the hands, calm yet full of life. The chin slightly tucked, eyes soft, face relaxed. When the head aligns, the mind quiets. Breathe from the belly. Inhale, abdomen expands. Exhale, it softens and sinks. Let the breath flow naturally, steady and calm. Now remain here for a moment, feel your body align, your breath settle, and your awareness gather into your center as if you are quietly nourishing your inner self from within. Now inhale and lift both hands sideways and up, drawing energy from the sky. Exhale, lower them down through the center line, bringing your attention back to your center. We move now into gentle shaking. Stand relaxed, feet grounded. Let your knees soften and begin to bounce lightly, effortless, natural. Allow the movement to travel upward through the whole body. Let the shoulders shake, the arms swing, the jaw loosen. There is no technique here, just letting go. Feel the fascia wake up, feel the tension melt, feel the stress shake itself free. Let the breath stay easy. Inhale through the nose, exhale softly through the mouth. Shake out the hands, shake out the legs, shake through the spine. Let everything loosen and unwind. This simple practice frees stuck energy, opens the joints and prepares the body to receive new breath. Keep going for a moment, softening and releasing all tension and stress, letting it gently dissolve from the shoulders, the chest, the hips, the whole body. Now let the movement come to stillness. Feel the body tingling, warm, alive. With the body loosened and open, we now move into cleansing and expanding, universal breathing. This practice cleanses body and mind, releasing tension and drawing in vitality. Stand as before, grounded, relaxed, open. Hands float before the chest, palms facing each other. Inhale through the nose, open the arms wide, expanding the chest. Imagine golden light filling your lungs and heart. Exhale softly through the mouth, palms return towards each other. Let go of heaviness, worries or fatigue, releasing them like mist into space. Keep the movement slow and controlled, arms guided by breath itself. You may feel subtle warmth or magnetism between your palms, your life force awakening. Remember to stand upright with relaxed strength, soften the muscles and draw the breath to the lower Dantian. With every exhale, let the body empty itself of tension and impurities, restoring harmony within. Let's do a few more. Feel how calm begins to settle in as stress and tension slowly dissolves. Now inhale, lift the hands outward and upward. Exhale, bring them down through the heart, back to your center. The body cleansed, the mind clear. From cleansing comes connection. As your hands settle by your sides, the breath links center and limbs. We open the 4 gates, connecting heaven and earth through the body. Lower your palms to face the hips, arms softly rounded, elbows slightly bent, fingers alive. On the inhale, bring your attention to the lower Dantian. On the exhale, your attention flows to the palms and soles, the 4 gates. Inhale, focus back to the center. Exhale, bring your concentration back to the gates. Let the whole body breathe as one. With each round, energy flows from center to limbs and back again, a gentle tide connecting heaven and earth within you. This exercise awakens and strengthens the body by activating the gates in the palms and feet. These gateways are essential for allowing energy to circulate smoothly through the body with the guidance of the mind. Now let's finish the exercise. Inhale, lift the arms sideways, palms up, gathering light. Exhale, bring the hands down through the heart to rest over the belly. Everything returns to stillness, united within your center. Let's stay here for a moment. Bring your awareness to your center of gravity just below your navel, your Dantian. Breathe deeply and effortlessly, allowing the breath to settle like water returning to a quiet lake. Now, take a final deep breath. Inhale, drawing the vitality of heaven and earth into your Dantian, gathering warmth and clarity at your center. Exhale, let it sink and settle deeply within, rooting your energy, mind and body. Feel grounded, calm, whole. Your foundation is set. Great job! You have completed day 1, flow and grounding. This is your beginning, stillness, breath and balance, the roots from which all movement and inner strength will grow. Thank you for being here today. How do you feel? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your experience. If this practice supported you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It truly helps this community grow. I'll see you in the next session, day 2 of your journey.